What's up, guys? Gabe from S&P Speed Innovations and that care package from Haltech. So we're building 2 trucks for Toyotafest. We're building an 85 Toyota pickup truck, 22R with ITBs, and we're building a 5BZ turbo motor for our 81. We have 81 4-wheel drive solid axle, and Haltech is good enough to hook us up. So let's see what we got. Oh, look what we got. Ooh. Wideband WB1. Another wideband WB1. Of the Haltech Elite 550. That's going on the 22R ITBs because we don't need a whole lot for that. And the Elite 750 because that's going to go on the Turbo 5BZ. You don't need a whole lot for that. That works just fine. And what else we got here? Oh man, would you look at that. That is an IC7. Get this up. Oh, look at that. That is a Haltech IC7. That is just beautiful. So this Haltech IC7, we're going to put this in the 85. That's nice. We got a dash mount coming in from Mako out of Australia. And this is going to be pretty cool.
So I'm going to give a special shout out and a thank you over to Josh Redden over at Haltech. Sales manager for Haltech, man, you are it. You are the shit. Thank you. Appreciate you. This stuff right here, this is awesome. We're going to make you guys proud. We're going to show you guys something here. We're going to show everybody what we can do with the small, powerful ECU. We know what we can do with the big stuff. We know what we can do with the big computers, the 2500s, R3s, and R5s. We're going to show everybody what you can do with the small computers, how powerful they really are, which is why we sell our kits. All of our kits come with that, with the Haltech ECU. So again, a big shout out to Josh Redden over at Haltech for the hookup here. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Anyway, there we go. Then we are excited to get this in, get it installed, get the Haltech stuff working, operational. We're going to get the blinkers working. We're going to get the high beams working. We're going to get everything working just as it was factory. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, would you look at that? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, would you look at that? That is just beautiful. Cannot wait to get this in there. We're going to work on all kinds of stuff, backgrounds and different lighting, and have the suite back and forth. And it's going to be very cool. So we're excited. Thank you, Haltech. Appreciate you guys very much for contributing to our builds. We've been putting a lot of work and a lot of effort and a lot of parts in these builds, so we appreciate all the help we can get. So thank you guys very much. Appreciate you all. Thanks.